Welcome, today in front of me Realme C25s, and I'll show you how to change your notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just you'll see here the notification sound, click there, click to allow, and just to change the new notification sound you should select one from these tones. Or also you can select here from your custom notification sound from your device, music if you got some music downloaded from the internet, for example. And now just you should go back, and here you'll see the changes that your notification sound changed successfully to the another one. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.